of shadows I climb, chasing the light beyond all time. Zion call with a voice so clear, a melody only the faithful hear. Mountains rise, but I won't delay. To the holy place I find my way. Rivers whisper the truth they know, guiding the steps where my heart must go. Every stone on this path I face leads me closer to sacred grace. Zion calls with a voice so clear, a melody only the faithful hear. Mountains rise, but I won't delay. To the holy place I find my way. Clouds may gather, storms may rain, yet my spirit prays through the cave. Each prayer a lantern, lighting the sky to Zion's gates where the angels cry. Zion calls with a voice so clear, a melody only the faithful hear. Mountains rise, but I won't delay. To the holy place I find my way. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah, guides my way. the night. Hold me steady in the fight. Every shadow fades away. Jah is with me every day. Jah Jah lead. Whoa, whoa. Through the fire, through the glow, through the glow. Feel the love, let it flow, let it flow. Jah is here. Now we know, now we know. I hear the drums call in the distant night. Echoes of a land where the stars burn bright. A soil that cradles stories untold. Africa's whispers, a bond to hold. Roots run deep where the rivers flow. The sacred place where the spirits know. Through the sands of time, our ties remain. Ancestral love, it calls my name. Footprints left on a sun-kissed shore. Memories etched, they forever soar. A tapestry woven with golden hands. Africa's heart beats through these lands. The wind carries songs of ancient kings. Voices rise as the village sings. Bound by the past yet future bound. In Africa's arms we're always found. Roots run deep where the rivers flow. A sacred place where the spirits know. Through the sands of time, our ties remain. Ancestral love, it calls my name. Mountains watch as the dawn awakes. Savannah whispers and the jungle shakes. Every tree and stone a sacred guide. Africa's soul where we all reside. heavy chains. Their voices echoed through the pain. The weight of silence burns like fire, but hope still climbs, it won't expire. Rise up, the time is near. 1,000 hands will light the way through shadows dark and skies of gray. The power's ours, we take the stand. The earth will tremble where we land. Rise up, the time is near. The truth is louder than the fear. We break the walls, we lift the sky. Together strong, we'll never die. The chains we wore are rust and dust. They'll never shatter our deep trust. The battle's long, but hearts won't break. Each step we take for justice' sake. Rise up, the time is near. The truth is louder than the fear. We break the walls, we lift the sky. Together strong, we'll never die. Echoes whisper through the trees at night. Tales of ancestors in the pale moonlight. They carve their stories in the earth so deep. A legacy of dreams we vow to keep. Hold the rules and spread your wings. Carry forward what the old song sings. Every heartbeat tells a tale so true. Cultural threads weaving me and you. In the soil lies the wisdom of the past, a heritage built to forever last. Through the rivers and the mountains high, their voices live, they will never die. Hold the rules and spread your wings. Carry forward what the old song sings. Every heartbeat tells a tale so true. Cultural threads weaving me soft on my face, a quiet moment in this hurried race. I find myself in the stillness of time, a hidden strength, a rhythm, a rhyme. In the ear of the right, I see 1,000 truths staring back at me. Reflection bends but never breaks. In silence I heal, in stillness I wait. A storm may rage, but I stand tall through winds that howl and shadows that crawl. Meditation wraps me like a warm embrace, a shield of calm in the chaos I face. In the mirror of my mind I see 1,000 truths staring back at me. Reflection bends but never breaks. In silence I heal, in stillness I wait. Every breath a thread to mend, every thought a path to send. My struggles fade, they're part of me. Each crack a light, a way to be free. So I carry on with an open heart. Each quiet moment, a brand new start. The weight of the world can't pull me down. In my inner peace, I'll never drown. We stand on this ground so wide, under one sky where dreams collide. Hands reaching out across the seas, one world bound in harmony. Colors blend like rivers flow, differences make our beauty glow. From every corner voices rise, a symphony that never dies. One heartbeat, together we shine, breaking the walls with love divine. Peace and love in every embrace, a universal light we all can chase. Mountains high and valleys low, the Blues rise from roots so deep. Through the soil their secrets seep. Drums of ages call my name, echoing where time lays claim. We walk with wisdom carved in stone. Through their blood our path is shown. Their voices guide where rivers bend. A sacred bond that will not end. Shadows dance and fires light. Stories told in endless night. Hands that build with love and pain left their mark like ancient rain. The winds carry their mighty song through the hills where we belong. Hearts are tethered to their might. They give us strength to face the fight. We Rivers flow with mercy stream, carving paths through every dream. Stand united, we're never small. Jazz love will conquer, conquer all.
The skies, medicine flows in its gentle breeze, the gift of life from sacred trees, from sacred trees. drums are pounding, hearts align. The bass line echoes through the spine. Truth in the melody, so divine. Breaking the shackles, crossing the line. The groove's a river, flowing strong, carrying hope where we belong. A harmony of right and wrong, building a world where we all belong. Dance to the sound of resistance tonight. Chains are breaking in the pale moonlight. Voices rising, spirits take flight. Reggae carries us to freedom's side. Each drum's a message, bold and clear. A call for justice, we persevere. Through the rhythm we conquer fear. Freedom whispers, we're all near. I wear my skin like the earth wears its sun. Golden hues where the rivers run. Born of kings and queens long untold. In my veins, a story of roots of gold. I rise like the dawn from the cradle of time. Every step I take, the mountains climb. Strong and radiant, unbowed, unbent. I carry my pride, my soul's testament. Under the baobab where ancestors sing, echoes of wisdom, they give me wings. My feet on the soil, my heart in the sky. Resilient spirit, I'll never deny. I rise like the dawn from the cradle of time. Every step I take, the mountains climb. Strong and radiant, unbowed, unbent. I carry my pride, my soul's testament. Through the storms and the winds, I'll remain. Unbroken by loss, unshaken by pain. The roots run deep, the branches extend. Africa's heart beats, it will never end. I rise like the dawn from the cradle of time. Every step I take, the mountains climb. Strong and radiant, unbowed, unbent. I carry my pride, my soul's testament. the sky. Let it roll, don't ask why. A tidal wave crashes through the haze, shattered lies in a fiery blaze. The shadows tremble, they cannot last. Truth's a bullet moving fast. Stand tall and scream it loud. No more whispers in the crowd. The truth's a storm that breaks the sky. Let it roar, don't ask why. Feel the ground quake beneath your feet. This truth won't break, it can't retreat. The fire spreads, it won't back down, burning through this broken town. Stand tall and scream it loud. No more whispers in the crowd. The truth's a storm that breaks the sky. Let it roar, don't ask why. Found a calm within the storm, a quiet fire to keep me warm. The chaos fades, the noise unwinds. A gentle rhythm soothes my mind. Inner peace, a light that shines, a love that grows through endless time, a heart that whispers life's a gift. With every breath my soul will live. I walk through shadows bathed in gold. Each step a story to be told. The world is brighter when I give. A life of love is mine to live. Inner peace, a light that shines,